Shenzhen LCF Technology Company Limited specialize in the research and development, production and sales of mobile phone accessories such as car chargers, travel chargers, wireless charger, data cable, and mobile phone cases. Occupied with 2,800 square meters, our factory has about 100 workers, 6 technicians, and 4 senior engineers. We have more than 10 years experiences of OEM and ODM services for our clients from North America, Europe, Asia. We have mold making machine, injection mold machine, punching machine, surface grinder, ATE auto test machine, laser machine, wave soldering machine, aging test machine, and we can good control housing quality from injection to printing and coating. We have our own molding plant and take only 25 days to finish a new design from tooling opening to mass production. We also focus on developing new and high-quality products to meet the demand of every market. We perform strict inspection standard based on ISO 9001 quality management, and all goods will be inspected by our QC team before the shipment. And most of our products passed CE, FCC, RoHS. Besides, because of the high-quality goods supplying and good services, we win a very good reputation from all over the world. Finally, we sincerely look forward to becoming your good partner in China.